You've seen so many Mazdas, but let me show you a new energy one, Mazda EZ-6. See what it's made of. The classic color of Mazda, the sour red crystal. If you don't know what color to choose, just buy this one, you won't regret. Two types of power, one is pure electric and the other will surprise, a range extended one. Interesting. The new energy cars usually use small lines. It's originated from Mazda. It has been using such a narrow face so long. The grille is also a typical Mazda style. The different part is it has become a flat one. This place is surrounded by a DRL. I think its inside is sick. The tail rises a bit to form a large spoiler. There's also one more which can be raised electrically, which balances its fastback. The hatchback should also be a swoop bracket. This is a model. Look, a giant trunk that can contain many things. Frameless door. The old Mazda drivers will be jealous. A zero-gravity driver's seat. Haha, it feels so good and it's adjusted swiftly. The shotgun is also a zero-gravity one. The whole interior trim has a sandal-down leather style. The door and the center console are all covered by suede. Up there is a two-stage panoramic sunroof. The sunshade in the middle. 14 Sony amplifiers, a wireless charge port. The air outlet cover can be pulled down to make the AC an air cooling one. Two cup holders. Behind it is a huge storage box. Below the tea area is one more large storage box, which can contain so much. A suede sports chair, heating ventilated, massage memory, front seats, a heating wheel too. Do you believe that those are the configurations of Mazda? A flat floor on the second row. I've adjusted the front seat to my usual position, 2 fists and 2 fingers length space. It's alright, like the front seats, these are also suede ones. Not too soft or too hard. I'm driving it all now. 1.5 normally aspirated RE, 160 kW RWD motor was the merit of the RWB motor. Relatively, its control is more agile, and its center of gravity moves backward in the acceleration, so it will give the rear wheels more pressure, generate more grip force. When I hit the throttle, the feeling of its acceleration, namely the accelerating force, doesn't feel like a 160 kW motor's. Its acceleration is quicker than the FWD one of the same motor. Its front is a McPherson independent suspension, and the rear is a multi-link rear suspension. Its suspension is slightly hard. While securing the comfort, it also offers the control support to some extent. When you indicate to change lanes, the car responds smoothly and is not hindered by its big battery below. The integration of the driver and the car doesn't disappear because it's a new energy car. It remains thoroughly. There's also a valuation on control. It scores you according to accelerator aperture, brake force, as well as wheel rotation angle. Then it tells you what you have done right and what to be improved. A funny system. So guys, it's all about an electric Mazda. Want to buy one?